Puntahan muna natin yung sa sexual abuse, yung rape, to be very particular. There is a CCTV footage, right, of the man, or the police officer carrying the woman.
Yes.
Isn't that a red flag already for you, for any establishment, to have allowed that to happen? Wala bang responsibilidad din yung motel na yon?
On a normal day, I'll withhold my opinion. Gaya kanina, I've been withholding my personal opinion. Pero siguro dito, clear-cut yung kaso. Buhat-buhat mo yung babae na walang malay, and if you had carnal knowledge with that woman while she cannot give any consent, that is terribly wrong. And that is why the NAPOLCOM called out yung po ating victim dito, and that victim went to the National Police Commission. Nag-file po siya ng complaint 2 days ago. And we are now investigating it through our EMIS. At red flag nga po talaga yan. Bakit nga ako pinayagan na makapasok sa isang motel ang isang babaeng walang malay at karga-karga pa. But it is what it is. We are investigating. Ang isa pang anggulo na sinisilip namin dito, Gretch, apparently, 2 pulis pala yung nandun. Nung nagiinuman sila, group inuman pala yun, meron pa palang isang pulis na present. And we have already identified that policeman, and we are doing our investigation also.
And what charges could be filed on that, the other one?
Una, bawal uminom sa bar. Bawal na bawal. I mean, no policeman should be found inside a bar. So his mere presence inside reeks of something wrong, if not unethical.
Bawal uminom ang policeman kahit hindi naka-uniforme?
Yes, bawal po sila sa bar. Bawal po sila sa sabungan.
Okay.
Lahat po ng mga ganong klaseng lugar, hindi po pwedeng makita ang isang pulis. Nakita na niyang, una, nandun siya, na mali. Tapos nilasing pa nila isang babae. Imbis na iuwi sa bahay ng asawa, sa iba pang lugar na dinala. I think
is this conduct unbecoming of an officer?
Yes, it is. Grave misconduct and conduct unbecoming of a police officer. It doesn't speak well of the good nature of our policemen. Ito yung mga gantong tao ang dapat inututukan ng mga disciplinary authorities like NAPOLCOM para mawala na sila sa serbisyo. Bakit? Kasi sinisira nila ang imahe ng pulis. Ang dating ngayon sa taong bayan, yung pulis hindi okay. Okay po ang mga pulis natin. Magtiwala po tayo sa mga pulis natin. Itong mga gunggong na ito, itong mga bugok na pulis na sumisira ng imahe ng pulis, yun po ang dapat nahabulin natin. And we should go fast and hard against these cops. And nandito po yung NAPOLCOM, we're going fast and hard against these cops.
And what is the decision on these cops?
Antay ka lang. Antay ka lang.
Fast?
May tinatawag din naman ng due process, Gretch. Ikaw ba? Kunwari ba, may inakusahan ka na isang bagay ngayon. Dapat ba bukas tanggal ka na? Meron pa rin naman kailangan siyang sumagot. But the disposition rate of the National Police Commission is 60 days. And that is the fastest, I think, of any entity here in the country. Sabi ko nga sa'yo, yung mismong NAPOLCOM nga na dinatnan ko, 25 years yung kaso dun eh. 1999, 2000 yung kaso. Ano ba naman yung 60 days? That is fast, Gretch. You can ask all your lawyer friends, and that is the fastest disposition rate in this country.